Welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp connection issues. Now, first, you need to make sure that you connected to the correct Wi-Fi connection, or if that a problem, you're gonna try to connect to data connection and see if that is the problem here or the connection issue coming from the Wi-Fi connection. Now the second method is you need to make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. So to do that, go to Google Play Store and go to the search box and type right here WhatsApp. And once you go right here and then you'll find an update button. So all you need to do is try to tap this update. But once you've done these two methods here and nothing happens and nothing fixes that issue, you need to check if WhatsApp is down at the moment. So you want to go right here on your Google Chrome and try to go to Down Detector. And from here on the Down Detector main page, you will find all the applications that is down at the moment. So all you need to do right here is to just wait for WhatsApp team to fix that issue, and you can just log in back your account on WhatsApp. So that's how you basically fix WhatsApp connection issues. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.